In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group rows in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can see how grouping works in the context of a project sheet. Go ahead and open your browser and sign into Smartsheet. From your home area or recent items, open your main project sheet. In this example, that's a project sheet that tracks different work streams and tasks. Once your project sheet is open in grid view, look for the section related to budget review. This is one of the project areas we'll use as a reference. Click on the row that contains budget review so it's selected. You'll see the row highlight to show it's active. This lets you know which line you're working with as you get ready to group related items. Next, scroll through the sheet and find another key item, such as marketing campaign launch. Click on that row as well. You're now looking at different major pieces of work inside the same project sheet. The goal of grouping is to keep these related tasks organized so you can collapse and expand sections instead of scrolling through a long, flat list. Now, locate the row for Client Onboarding Process. Click to select it. At this point, you have several related project areas visible: Budget Review, Marketing Campaign Launch, and Client Onboarding Process. In your own sheet, these might be phases, deliverables, or task categories. What you want to do is group the child rows under each of these main headings. To do that, use the area on the far left of the sheet where you see the hierarchy controls. These controls let you indent and outdent rows. Click the highlighted control next to a task that should sit under Budget Review. Then indent it so it becomes a child row. Repeat this for each task that belongs under that same heading. As you indent multiple rows, they'll become part of a single grouped section that you can collapse or expand using the arrow next to the parent row. Work your way down the sheet, using the same highlight and indent actions to group tasks under Marketing Campaign Launch and then under Client Onboarding Process. If you make a mistake, simply select the row and outdent it to move it back up a level. When you're finished, you should see a much cleaner structure with major project areas as parent rows and their related tasks neatly grouped beneath them. This hierarchy is the core of grouping in Smartsheet, and it makes large project sheets far easier to read, manage, and report on.